I got Titan TV man, and also a robot. Seeing guys, robot. You seeing?
First, I will
Yeah.
give you something.
I already
I'll
know
show you
it.
something, guys. Just wait.
Just wait. I will
Just wait.
guys.
Show you something. Show you
Just
something.
wait.
Show you.
From McDonald's, I got Steve.
Sounds look like
And
Steve.
also,
But I got
I'll
with
read
the skeleton.
I don't know the
I don't
name,
know what the
guys.
name, but there's no
I
sword.
will read.
There's no sword. But I like there's a robot in the Titan TV, man. Look, smaller here. Look at the size. Just look at the size, dude. Look at the size. Look at the size, dude. Look at the size. See this? And look at Titan TV, man. So small, dude. You see? So, what do you want to tell you? You see it? You see it? So cool, right? I wanna use it. But, you know, guys, like and subscribe. Please. I got many YouTube video, but you didn't like and subscribe. I just want to hit 1 subscriber, 1 commenter, 1 liker. Please. And share this video. So God bless you. Please. Just like and subscribe and comment. See? What? CR7. Who'd you pick? Ronaldo or Messi? Pick Ronaldo. Comment CR7. Pick Messi. Comment Messi 10. Okay? And also comment what robot I will name this robot. Comment what I name this robot. So cool, right? Even look a lion and look a dinosaur. Oh my god, dude. If you look at on his head, you can see it on the screen. See? Can I look at you? See, look, bigger I said. But let's go to the video and let's go saw some different in one video. Let's go. Now, guys, please, I already told you like and subscribe and comment what you picked. I already said it. And also share this video for your friends who pick Messi or Ronaldo. Okay? Okay, this is the TV man. Okay, first before we leave, I just want to tell you I have new friend. My jelly. So, bye-bye.